Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Microsoft Office Learning. In this video, we will learn about how to increase font size and how to decrease font size. So stay tuned and watch till the end. For example, in these cells, I want to increase size of these three cells. I will select those cells and then I'll go to the Home tab. And within the Home tab, there is a drop-down list here. If I click this one, it's showing me the different sizes. I'm okay with 14 size. I will press and it will change the size to 14. Next one is if I want to change the size, there are two options here right next to drop down list. One is to increase the font and second one is to decrease the font. If I press this one, it will increase the font size, and right next to it, if you press this one, it will decrease the size of the font. So this is how you can increase or decrease the size without using shortcut. Next part is how can we use shortcut to change the font size. Select these cells and then press Alt H F S. So now you can see the drop down list has been active. If I press 15 here and press enter, it will increase the size to 15. And for example, select these three cells and then if I want to increase it, Alt H F G. If I press Alt H F G, it will increase the 1 point higher size. And if I press Alt H F K, it will decrease the size by one number. So you can see now. So this is how you can change the font size with the help of shortcut and without shortcut. So stay tuned for more tips and tricks.